Nature number stations. What you need. Number cards, chalk, and items from nature. Draw a number tile. Oh look, I drew the number 2. Then, practice writing the numeral with the chalk. Then, find items from nature. I found sticks, and place 2 next to your numeral. Let's draw another number. This time, I drew the number 8. Help me count 8 pine cones. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Keep drawing cards and making collections of items from nature. I used pine cones, seed pods, sticks, and rocks. What interesting things can you find? Share your number stations with friends and family. Like this video and subscribe to my YouTube channel for more fun activities.